YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video, and yes, I did rip open the box, but I haven't unwrapped what's inside, so it's still technically an unboxing slash unbagging video, whatever you want to call it if you want to be technical about it. Anyway, this item came from Bloomingdale's, and I just got up from a nap. I know, I'm 44 years old, still taking naps, but I love naps, especially on the last day of school naps, after a big lunch nap. All those things combined, it's like the perfect nap situation. So, here's the bag. This is in the color Arctic. And what else can we gather from the outside of the bag? It is style number 90455. And if you peek right here, you can see it is Tory Burch. I'm liking my Tory Burch lately. She's really been impressing me with her leather quality and her innovative designs. And in fact, there's another one I saw, like when I was looking. Sometimes I'm looking for deals for you guys, and then, darn it, I find deals for me too. Actually, it's always sort of a mutual thing. I'm looking for deals for both of us because I just care that much. Let's pull it open. Ooh, oh my goodness. So after the disappointment of the Miller shoulder bag, Bloomingdale's has redeemed itself somewhat. I'm not super impressed with how they packed the strap, but that could be Tory Burch. That could be how Tory Burch did it. And honestly, it's probably not going to hurt the leather on this bag anyway, because the leather on this bag is what would you call that? Is it a woven leather? It's a very thick weave if it's woven, but it's a woven leather, and it has suede. And if it's not suede, it's just the back side of the leather. So that may be what it is. But it looks like suede, and it feels like suede. And since it looks like a duck and it acts like a duck, we're going to call it a duck. So suede and smooth leather woven together with the new Tory Burch emblem in the middle, and a nice thick chain. I want to say this is heavier than the normal Tory Kira chain, because this is a Kira. Oh yeah. So this chain, gosh, how am I going to do this? The silver chain is the chain on the new bag. The gold chain is the chain on my Pink Moon Kira. The width is the same, but the weight is different. The weight on the newer bag chain is much heavier. It has some heft to it. I'm just verifying that what I'm saying is right. I think it's heavier. I may be just imagining it. I'm still in dream sleep world, but I'm pretty sure it's substantially heavier. And of course, while I have this one out, let me just compare the emblems. See, the emblem on the old style, of course, it varies depending on the color of the bag, but see how small the emblem is in relation to this emblem? This one is bigger, and it also sticks up more from the bag. It has more elevation. I think I might just set this little pretty Pink Moon Kira off to the side. This is in a lambskin, and this is super soft. This is probably lambskin too. I mean, it is very, very soft. Well, I say that, this square is really soft. This square, it's soft, but it feels a little bit hardier. I don't know. I'm very confused. I'm just going to have to look the bag up, and I'll put in the box underneath myself here, and I'll say, this is a lambskin bag, or this is a calfskin bag, because while you're opening this, you just have no freaking clue what you're talking about, and that is not acceptable. Your audience wants to know. They want to be informed. So I am oh so carefully trying to figure out how to remove this cardboard from the interior of the bag. Okay. So the inside of this flap feels like calfskin, and it feels really good. It feels like the Tory Burch denim Kira satchel that I just got. That's what it feels like on the inside. And shall we take out the stuffing and see what it feels like inside of there? Ooh. Okay, so I got hair in my mouth again. So much like the denim satchel, this is almost a microfiber type material. It has the slip pockets here. It has the zip pocket back here. And the zipper has this nice leather pull on it, which makes it easy to open and close. See, one-handed. And it's pretty smooth. Opening especially was really smooth. And I guess I already took the wrapper off of this. I don't remember doing that. I'll have to look back and see if it just happened magically or if I actually removed it. So the Kira has this leather bit on one of the straps, which is designed to make it comfortable to wear crossbody. And you definitely can do that. And I will probably do that some. But I like to wear these on the shoulder primarily. And so what I found you do is you kind of place the leather bit underneath the chain bit, or at least have them overlap some. And then that makes it very comfortable. Let me scoot back. And by the way, I do really like this bag, so I plan on keeping it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, you don't want to see that side. Oh, so pretty. If I was comparing bags, you might want to see my other side, but I'm just not. So, okay, so here's the length it hits at. And I am sort of wearing beachy colors today to go with the beachy bag. It's kind of digging in on my shoulder bone up here, so let me move the strap just a bit. Okay. There we go. Maybe I should pull my hair over on the other side so you can see. The strap has a pretty nice size leather bit up at the top to go over your shoulder. It is pretty comfortable, but not near as comfortable as it was on my shoulder. This is definitely the way I plan to wear this bag. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys, I love it. I think I've done about everything in this video I can do, except for eye this really closely. Eyeball this bag with my glasses on because, you know, I can't see fine details and I have to give you the side eye when I have my glasses on. Otherwise, I have the weird ring lights in my eyes. So let me look her over. The emblem looks good. Not seeing any scuffs. At least not on the front, top, bottom, sides. I mean, I'm really just very impressed with how well they lined everything up. You don't, gosh, my darn glasses. You don't get this kind of alignment with Louis Vuitton anymore. I mean, this is really done very nicely all the way to the top. And some would say as you get closer to the top, when you have a bag that's narrower at the top, the alignment's not going to be as good. But I feel like Tory just has nailed this. This one is just the teeniest bit off. But I mean, I'm not complaining because this is just gorgeous. And it has the wonderful leather smell. Unlike my denim bag, it did not have the nice leather smell. And what else can I say? I love it. This is just so cool. I love the woven leather. Now this bag, it also came in, I believe I saw it came in a yellow tone combo. I want to say it was a two-tone, but it might just be because it was, the suede was a little darker. But I did see that once when I was looking around for the best deal on this. The best deal I found on this is $453.60, I believe, and that's 30% off. And I got it a little bit cheaper because they messed up my Miller order. So they gave me a discount code and they actually allowed me to apply it to this, which is highly unusual, but I accepted it graciously and said, yes, please send me this. It's the same color almost. I got her for $3.90, no tax. And of course, free shipping, free express shipping because I have ShopRunner. If you guys don't have ShopRunner, it's wonderful. And I would say she's a winner. I love it. The Tory Burch Kira in woven leather. What a beachy, beautiful bag. I'm going to have to figure out all the outfits I have to go with this gorgeous color. I would imagine she would go with lots of jeans. So therefore, she's going to go with lots of clothes because I wear lots of jeans. And she's also going to look so good with creams and beiges and maybe even light pinks. I'm going to have fun with her. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe, and ring my bell so you know when there are exciting new upcoming videos coming out. Also, if you haven't found me on Instagram, I am there as well under the same name, the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife. So you can head over there and find my newest videos posted, as well as some outfits of the day and sometimes just handbag mod shots, because I really like to look at my bags and play with them if you haven't noticed that already. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you again real soon. Bye.